Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today we're going to talk about the Y13 watch, its functions and its features. So let us start with the video. First, let us talk about notifications. Does this watch has access to notifications? The short answer is yes. It receives messages, calls and alerts without taking out your phone. You can read, reject or silence messages directly from the watch. This is very cool because you can also see messages from popular apps like WhatsApp, X, Facebook and others. Next, we have the health monitor. With this watch, you can measure heart rate, blood oxygen and much more. It is not a medical watch, so it does not give the perfect medical precision, but it gives you an approximate idea of your health values. When you put it on and taste it, it measures your health little by little. Now let's talk about steps and sports. You can choose between steps, distance, calories and even see a fitness record of your daily activity. It is very easy to check and there are many sports options like walking, running, cycling, climbing, basketball, soccer, badminton and jump rope. You can pause or stop the activity at any time. When the watch is connected to the phone, these functions improve, but you need to remember that it is not very precise. For example, it may not always count calories correctly, but it is still very useful. This watch also has music control. You can change songs, increase or decrease volume all from your wrist. That is super useful and very cool. Another feature is sleep and rest tracking. It analyzes how you sleep, how many hours you sleep, the sleep phases and the quality of your sleep. It is very easy to check. You can also set alarms and timers. Other common functions includes the weather apps which work when the watch is connected to the phone. There is also a remote control for the front camera, a blood oxygen option, a flashlight and more. You can also change the settings like screen brightness and how long the screen stays on. There are different menu styles. If you double tap, the menu styles changes. It is not only the bubble style, but you can also switch to another style. There is also a calculator, hydration reminder, and even a small game. It is very cool in that part. The watch is not an Apple Watch, but it has all the basic functions you need to enjoy a good and complete watch. That is the video for today. I hope you like it and enjoy this video. If you like it, please give us a like, leave a comment. That helps me a lot to reach more people. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.